All right, guys, we're back out here on a job. We got called for a tire change. Should be pretty easy. They say they have a good spare tire. We'll see how the condition of this tire is for the spare tire and get it switched out. Guys, we just got here. Let's go ahead and handle this job. Man, it's windy out here.
Yeah.
Go ahead and get the jack on.
Tire in it, air in it, or...
Okay, we'll check it out right now.
All right.
No worries. All right, guys, we gotta get this. Let's get up under here. Let's try to get this spare tire switched out. Okay, gotta bring it back a little bit. See if we can get in between these things right here. Oh, bring it back a little. There it is.
Thank you for coming.
Oh, no problem.
Waiting here 3 hours.
That's what they were saying. They called us about 5 minutes ago.
Oh my God.
So we got here as fast as we could.
And I don't know what kind of conditions everything.
Okay.
So hopefully it's got air in it.
Yeah, we'll see right now once we lower it. I just do need the key to it.
Okay.
Just to unlock this.
Oh, I hope that's it.
Yeah, it should be this one. There it is. Okay. You have the tire changing kit? In the meantime, I'm gonna take off this cap. Alright, let's see how hard this cap is to take off. I think we just need a screwdriver, flathead. Go ahead and grab something. Here we go. Oh, there's the problem. There's that. Yeah, you got this. I'm pretty sure you guys seen it already, but you guys have a pretty big
That's what caused it.
spring
Yeah.
or something in there. Okay, let's go ahead and get the we just need those poles right there, yeah. Should be... Oh, sorry, here. There it is. Okay, this one is usually gonna be,
Yeah.
but we'll see. Oh, there it goes.
No biggie. I'm sure you'll probably cover all that. You can take care of them. Oh,
So you guys are waiting here for 3 hours?
Oh, yeah. For
Dang.
lunch, we decided to drive here from Bakersfield because this place has awesome burritos.
Uh-huh.
And then we came out to a flat tire. I'm not sure where I picked it up.
I know it looks like a pretty small hole
I know. I'm shocked that would even penetrate. But it did.
Yeah, when you pull that out, give it to me.
Well, I'll probably just leave it in so I can take it and get it patched tomorrow.
though. Yeah, you could get that tire patched up.
But I want to leave it in there so I know when.
No, okay, no, that's good thinking.
Rare thing. Yeah.
So this tire looks pretty good.
Okay.
Doesn't seem to have any cracks. Pretty good on air also. It's a little beefier than the other ones, but it'll do.
Drive it.
Put that there. Yeah, that's it right there. Yeah, you might sit a little bit higher on this one.
Yeah, that's fine. I mean, I'll get it fixed in the morning. I'll try it. Maybe I can shove it in from the front. Oh, baby. Well, I'm not doing anything else. Got some luck on it.
All right.
Awesome.
Yeah, if you guys want to stop, there's well, you'll see the tire shops on your way to Bakersfield.
Yeah.
Just a double.
It looks okay to me.
A double check. There's that. Here's your key.
Thank you.
I'm not sure if this will fit back on there. It might. Yeah. Then I'll get that. I'll load that up for you.
Thank you.
No worries.
Thank you. Have a good day.
No worries. Thank you. All right, guys. That was a quick tire change. Got it handled. Gonna put the tools away. And forgot to take the picture for Instagram. Man, YouTube's has been using up all of my picture times and everything. need that proof, guys. You need the proof for everything. You need to make sure you stay on top of everything. And alright guys, that's the end of this one. Stay tuned for the next one. See you back on the road.